Model number 21B132C for kerosene lanterns. 2-pack. Change mantles in seconds. 1 slip instaclip 2 mantles onto burner tubes. 2 pull tab. 3 light mantle. Fits lantern models 200, 201, 214, 220, 275, 282, 286, 290, 295, 5107, 5114, 5150. 5152, 5153, 5154, 5155, 5156, 5157, 5159, 9950 and 9960. Top reviews from the United States. Easier to install than having to tie mini shoestrings. Like Mr. Miyagi says. Clip on, clip off. Don't forget to breathe. Bough some extra mantles for my propane lantern and no longer need dexterous child hands to tie off the mantle strings. After installing, be sure to light a match to these new mantles. Search YouTube if you don't believe me, and they will turn white to brown, black and look to almost disintegrate before your eyes, then magically blow out and turn white again. Be careful as these pre-lit mantles are now brittle. Put the glass globe back on and screw on the cap. Do a test run of your propane lantern to confirm that the mantles hold gas that will up for your next camping trip. Let the lantern cool down before storing it all away again. Buy extra mantles as they are cheap, and in case your glass globe brushes up against the or the mantle breaks on its own, you can easily replace it with these instaclips. Be sure to pre-light any new mantles that are installed before using them with propane gas. Happy trails!